As a continuation video of the topic of functions, there are more details to functions that we can use to understand graphs and how functions behave. We can use symmetry and negative signs to verify if a function is even or odd. There are two types of symmetry relevant here. One across the y-axis and one when rotated 180 degrees around the origin. And this corresponds to two types of functions, even and odd. A function is even if f of negative x equals f of x. That's the test. If you plug in a negative x, you get the same result as a positive x. A quick example of this is if we take the function f of x equals x raised to the power of 2. If we test it, f of negative x equals negative x raised to the power of 2. Because multiplying two negatives gives a positive, the final answer is x squared, and we end up back at the original function. Graphically, the left and right sides are identical. Now, a function is odd if f of negative x equals negative f of x. This means that if you plug in negative x, the output flips sign. Let's test f of x equals x cubed. We have f of negative x equals negative x cubed. And since multiplying a negative number 3 times gives a negative, our result is negative x cubed, which is the opposite sign of the original equation, which confirms that the function is odd. And later, when dealing with integrals, knowing whether a function is odd or even can save you time by simplifying calculations and help visualize the graph more easily.